like and subscribe to our channel.
Boxprachner.
What is sexual dimorphism? Sexual dimorphism refers to the systematic difference in form between individuals of different sex in the same species. Literally, it means existing or occurring in two distinct forms, SOED, these forms in this context being the male and female of a species. Dimorphism is widely observed in the animal kingdom, including humans, and can manifest in various physical characteristics such as size, color, structure, and the presence or absence of certain body parts. Sexual dimorphism is a product of evolutionary pressures and can serve various functions, including but not limited to reproductive roles, mate attraction, and survival strategies. Key aspects of sexual dimorphism include physical differences. In many species, males and females exhibit distinct physical attributes. For example, in some bird species, males have bright, colorful plumage, while females have more subdued colors. In many mammalian species, males are larger than females, though the reverse can also be true, as seen in some species of spiders and birds of prey. Secondary sexual characteristics. Beyond the primary reproductive organs, secondary sexual characteristics can be highly dimorphic. In humans, for example, these include traits such as the distribution of muscle mass and fat, the pitch of the voice, and the presence of body hair. Behavioral differences. Sexual dimorphism can also extend to behaviors, which are often linked to different roles in reproduction and caregiving. For instance, in some species, males might be more aggressive or more actively involved in territorial defense, while females might be more involved in nurturing offspring. Evolutionary significance. Sexual dimorphism often arises from sexual selection, a type of natural selection arising through preference by one sex for certain characteristics in individuals of the other sex. Darwin proposed this concept to explain traits that seem to be maladaptive in terms of survival but offer reproductive advantages, such as the peacock's elaborate tail. Human sexual dimorphism. In humans, sexual dimorphism is evident in physical size, strength, and body composition, as well as in secondary sexual characteristics. However, there is considerable overlap between the sexes in many of these traits, and individual variation can be significant. Cultural and social factors. While sexual dimorphism has a biological basis, dimorphic traits may be influenced in part by cultural and societal norms. For instance, certain physical characteristics may be emphasized or de-emphasized in cultural representations and expectations of masculinity and femininity. Variation and overlap. While sexual dimorphism refers to average differences between males and females, there is of course also overlap between the sexes. Individuals of the same sex can show great variation in the degree to which they exhibit sex-typical traits. In summary, sexual dimorphism encompasses the differences in physical form and behavior observed between males and females of the same species. These differences are the result of evolutionary processes and can vary widely among species. In the context of human society, understanding sexual dimorphism involves not only recognizing biological differences but also considering how cultural, social, and individual variation emphasize or de-emphasize biological differences.
Boxprachner.